Hello, Amrita here. It's mango season, so let's make layered mango mastani today. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon for regular updates. For making the mango mastani, here I have taken 2 Alfonso mangoes. This is the first one. So first I'll slice it up. Now while slicing them up, please be careful, don't hurt yourself. First one is done. Now with the help of a thinner knife, I'll make some cut so that it will be easier to take them out. In the same way, I'll do the second mango also. Now this is the mixer grinder. Into that I'm transferring the mango pieces from the 2 of the mangoes. Next I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Next is 1 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, and let's churn it. Now if you don't have cream, don't worry, you can use here 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream or even mango ice cream. Now churning part is done, as you can see, and it's super creamy and frothy. Here is my dessert glass. Into that I'm pouring the mango mixture, and you can see some chunks, but don't worry, that will even enhance the taste. Now this is done. On the top I'm adding about 2 to 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, sprinkling some roughly chopped pista. You can add any dry fruit of your choice. Next I'll keep it in refrigerator for half an hour so that there will be layers. And you can see it's out of the freezer. See the beautiful layers. So actually what happened, some of the ice cream went down and some of them remained at the top. So that's how we got this beautiful layer without even doing anything. So your mango mastani is ready and served. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.